In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the IKEA Integrated Wireless Charger. Coming up.
Nah, tryna bounce with me. Run around town getting down for free. And I be sipping all day like a factory.
Hello, my name is J. Lou and welcome to another J. Lou review. Thanks so much for watching. If this is your first time on this channel, consider subscribing for more review videos just like this one. Wireless charging is on the rise with more and more devices offering this technology. Personally, I love it because it's so much easier just to pop your phone on a surface and it starts charging. This is so much better than having to go find a cord, find a place to plug it in, get ready to put it into your phone, and then realize that it's not even the right connection for your phone. With wireless charging, you don't have to worry about any of those things. The first time I tried wireless charging was at IKEA. This was the first time I had ever visited an IKEA store, and there were so many different things to look at, but I stumbled upon this one area where they have lots of LED lights and they also have their wireless chargers. So recently I had just purchased a new iPhone 8 and I didn't even realize that it was wireless compatible. So I said, I'm not even sure if it's gonna work, but let's just try it. So I had it on me and they had some wireless chargers set up, and I put my phone on the wireless charger and it started charging, and I was like, yo, this is crazy. I was like, wow, this is really cool technology, and it was just so different than what I had been used to doing, plugging your phone in and plugging it into the wall. This was really cool. So fast forward to today, and I actually have one of those chargers here with me that I want to show you, which is the integrated wireless charger from IKEA. What I'd like to do in this video is just show you how it works, what it looks like, talk about a few different points, and then share my recommendation as to whether I think you should buy this wireless charger. So let's get to it. So basically how it works is if you have a wireless compatible device, this is an iPhone 8, most of the Samsungs and iPhones that are coming out now will have this technology. All you have to do is take that device and place it on top of the charger itself, and it will start charging just like that. It's very simple. So with this integrated wireless charger from IKEA, I have actually installed it into the desk that I have. So when I'm working at my desk or on the computer, I can have my phone nearby as well as have it charge at the same time. This is like a game changer for me, because otherwise if I was using my phone while on the computer and it needed to be charged, it'd have to be in another room or somewhere around me where I couldn't be able to access it very freely. So this was a perfect way for me to basically up my productivity as well as just have something that's more convenient. One thing to note that's a difference between a wireless charger versus a regular plug-in-the-wall charger is that the charging speed is a little bit slower with the wireless chargers. Now there are some that are better than others, and I find that this one from IKEA charges it pretty well. It's not slow, it's not noticeably slow, but at the same time it's not as fast as plugging it into the wall. So keep that in mind. If you're looking for a very fast, like immediate charge, maybe you consider plugging it into the wall. But if you're just not necessarily needing it to be charged for a specific amount of time, then this is perfect for you. Now there's some reviews online of different wireless chargers, and people talk about the residual heat, the heat that is created when you are charging your actual device. So one thing that I've noticed that with this wireless charger, that it does have some residual heat. However, it's not like it's getting super hot. You will notice that pretty much all the wireless chargers that are on the market today do have some type of residual heat. However, some are better than others, but I found that this one with IKEA is not bad at all. I mean, I can place this on there and have it charging for maybe an hour, and it's really not that hot. It might be a little warm, but it's definitely not something like, whoa, this is like way too hot and it's burning out my phone or burning out the charger. So I haven't had that experience myself, but with some other wireless chargers, that is something that you do want to consider and you want to read the reviews on. So the price of this IKEA wireless charger is, at the time of this recording, $12.99. Now that is a very good deal for a wireless charger. There are some that go up to $100. Granted, you might be able to put multiple devices on at the same time, but to be able to get an integrated wireless charger for $12.99 is a steal of a deal. It's almost a no-brainer. So when I saw that price, I was like, yep, gotta get one. And one of the things that I like that's different about this is that it can be installed, and that's actually how it's designed, is that it would be installed into a surface, whether that be a desk or a tabletop, whatever it is. So I will actually do a video tutorial on how to install one of these into a surface of your choice. And once I do that, I will put a link up here as well as in the description box below so you can check it out. So I highly recommend this wireless charger. Compared to some of the other ones on the market, this one is definitely a very, very good bang for your buck. The price as well as its actual quality and how fast it charges it is really hard to beat. One of the things that I like to do is called the value test, and basically that's just the amount of money that I would be willing to pay for a product based upon the value that it brings to me. So again, like I said, this costs $12.99 at the time of this recording. However, I would be willing to pay up to $50 for this wireless charger just because of the value that it brings me. It allows me to be at my computer and have it sitting on the desk charging, and I can pick up my phone if I need to and place it right back instead of having to either reach around the corner into a different room and have to plug it in. This is great because I can pick it up, set it down, and it's charging all the time. So I definitely recommend this product, again, for the price and just how well it works. That's all I got for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Also, let me know in the comment section if you have one of these wireless chargers from IKEA, and let me know what you think. Until next time, this is J. Lou with J. Lou Views, signing off.